Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala if you're new here. I am actually in the parking or the driveway of my mom's place. I'm waiting to drive up north with her. We're gonna go check on our cabin, see the progress there. This is like really important because it's pretty much detrimental to my happiness over the summer and just life in general. So I'm just gonna have like a little mom's day, just be my mom, which is like so fun. We'll probably stop by my sister's place and see my nephew and niece, Abner and Joyce, JJ, and see the cabin. So I'll make sure to take like video snippets of how the cabin's doing, if it's gonna be ready by the 4th. Honestly, I just don't have words if it's not. But what do you do? It'll literally be it's like days away. So anyway, gonna pick my mom up, introduce mom to the vlog. She's probably gonna be camera shy, but she's the best. MK is literally, she's the most amazing mother ever. So I'm excited to spend the day with her, and I have a couple things planned for this vlog. I'll do my skincare routine on this vlog. I probably will do like some outfit things because I have a couple weddings coming up and I have a fun package coming in the mail, which I don't know if it'll make it on this vlog or not, but that's a fun one. So anyway, lots of good stuff happening. Super excited to be back on the channel, creating content. I love doing this. So we will be headed up north Minnesota. It's 2 hours away on Gull Lake in the Brainerd Lakes area, and super excited to see our house. This has been our like family lifelong dream since I can remember. So it's just really amazing to see that it's gonna be really close to being finished. Taylor and I, as I've said before, plan to spend a lot of time up there. So yeah, excited to go up there, excited to spend the time with my mom and show you guys some fun stuff, along with my skincare routine, even though I picked a little bit, so I'm kind of breaking out a tad bit, but that's okay because hormonal acne is a journey. It's not a one size fits all. It's not a constant. It's a journey. So, okay, gonna pick my mom up. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe. And thanks for being here. And you already know what I'm listening to.
Mr. President, you asked to see me. I know you're busy. What do you need, sir? Sir, I want to give you a word of warning, sir.
Whatever you say, sir. Jefferson will pay for this behavior.
Stepping down, I'm not running for president.
I'm
sorry, what? One last time.
Every road trip.
I have learned the hard-won wisdom I have earned. As far as the people are concerned, you have to serve. You couldn't continue to serve. One last time.
Hey guys, we're in Brainerd at a rest stop. Almost there. I'm so excited. Did not show my mom on the vlog yet because we are just chit-chatting away and I forgot about it, honestly. But can't wait to get up there. It's like 10 more minutes and we'll be there. All right.
Gary's painting.
Gary's painting. Oh my god!
Oh, look at the stone was up on the
Oh, okay, so wait, I thought that was gonna be gray. That's why that's not done.
Yeah. Oh, isn't that pretty?
Gosh, Mom. Look at the front doors. Oh my word.
Oh, I love the stone.
What do you think?
I love it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. The song. We are here. Oh my goodness. Oh. They're putting covers. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Okay, we gotta go this way. Go this way. We gotta look at the fire.
Oh, look at the lake.
I know, the lake. The bar's in. Oh my gosh. So these open. Yeah, they do right here. This is the bar that opens up. Oh, it's windy out there. I'm not gonna open that. This is the wine cellar. So they have that pretty glass wall coming here, remember?
Look at the fireplace.
Look at the wood and the ceiling. Oh my gosh, the ceiling. The ceiling is stunning. I cannot believe it.
Beautiful, isn't it?
I'm like shaking. So plumbing's in. Big kitchen. Pantry.
Hi.
It looks so beautiful. Well, yeah, we've got lots of interested parties that want to see where we're at here. Yeah, my room. Oh my stinking word.
It is kind of a mess right now, so just keep walking around. We got 3 guys going crazy.
Oh, no worries. No, please. Yes.
Yeah, no problem. It's all good. Just try to watch your steps.
Okay.
We will. Thank you. I love that you guys have pocket doors here. You look so little in here. The ceilings are so high. Oh, what? You're... And the tiles in? Oh my gosh, Mom.
Look at this floor. It's so pretty.
So his, hers, closets. Which one are you picking?
The one with the window. His, hers, bathrooms.
His, hers, bathrooms.
Ooh, look at this, Marty.
Let me see. Oh my goodness, Mom. Oh, so this is like the wet room.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The steam room.
steam
So
room.
we have doors on there, and then you can put chairs here, whatever.
Wow, unbelievable. Sinks over here, I'm assuming.
Yeah, big bathtub and then sink.
Wow. Beautiful view too, even from your bathroom. This is stunning.
I love that.
It does. So this is toilet.
Two toilets.
His, hers, toilets. Okay. Look at this. I think this is my favorite part.
I think so.
The light and the dark complementing each other. Different versions of like pine and oak. I don't know what it is. And this.
So is the dock in the right spot?
Yes. Well, I don't know. I don't think it is. I gotta call them. Brett's gonna for sure deal with that. So beautiful. Up we go. My room. Like, look at how big this landing is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Desk going right there. Abner, what do you think? What do you think?
That's why they wrap.
Good? You have the coolest room in the whole house. My camera died, but this is storage, this is laundry, or... You guys, you gotta...
The other bathroom.
Oh, I didn't either yet. This is like...
I guess I would wonder why did they finish the outside first? Just like who's available for jobs, I guess.
Yeah, well, it's outside.
It's right here, baby. This is Abner's room.
George hasn't seen it either, right?
I know, I am joking. Yep.
I mean, do not
Say hi to the vlog.
I was like,
You're going,
I'm like,
you're
don't
going
put that
on the vlog. It's so nice though. We built in desks.
Oh my gosh.
So Carrie, this is a desk spot. Carrie, even looking over here. I
So
love.
they just put the dock way over.
No, it's not changed. This is the back, obviously. I'm coming. everybody, welcome back. My house is a mess, don't look. But a few things. Last night, Taylor took me to Martina, one of the best spots in Minneapolis, I swear. I had one too many Aperol spritzes, so I'm feeling kind of puffy right now. He just got back from a golf round and we're gonna go get lunch at Restoration Hardware Rooftop because my sister's moving to Hawaii tomorrow and we're gonna send her off with like a fun little lunch. And yeah, we'll probably go shopping at the Galleria. We also went to the art fair yesterday, which was really fun. I think we're probably actually gonna go back today. There's like a beer tent and stuff that we missed, so live music. So yeah, cabin you saw. Have not stopped thinking about it. So I'm trying to like depuff before I go to lunch. This feels so good. Alright, let's go. Okay, little fit. Madewell blazer, the new one you guys saw. This is ASOS, and then some track pants from Adidas. I'm gonna put my F1s on because we're gonna be walking a lot and shopping, I hope. Right by our house, honestly. Right in the middle is great.
It's delicious.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, he's a little grabber.
Yeah.
For the cake?
No, this is the birthday cake. Milk bar birthday cake, and that's the milk bar. What did I say? Milk bar. The milk bar pie. There's the birthday cake. I like Roulettes more. What? Also, guys, look how cute this is. I just bought this for our Samsung frame TV downstairs, or actually maybe even in our room, but I can't figure out how to get it on there because it's connected to Taylor's phone, so. Okay, sorry guys, I am not gonna do my skincare routine right now. I'm sorry, I'm just really not feeling up for it, and it takes like, it's gonna take a bit of like research and stuff, so I just need a minute. I'll do it next time, or the next time. But I did end up getting a new espresso machine and I cannot wait. That gets delivered this week. It's Sunday. And that'll come this week. My new purse will come this week. Really busy work week, honestly. So I have my best friend's wedding this weekend. Just gonna get organized. Like there's literally clothes all over my room right now. Like new stuff that I just need to find a home for. I need to go through clothes, make a Goodwill stop, and yeah, we're gonna get this vlog up and ready to rock and have a good start to our week. Start strong to the week. I'm probably gonna grocery shop tonight before bed, or I'll do it after the gym tomorrow morning. So gotta go to the gym every day this week. Gotta behave with food this week. yeah, and I will be vlogging, I think, probably like a few days in my life because I have Bert's wedding this weekend and I have a lot of stuff to do before then, so I'm excited for, I'm like dreamt about our new espresso machine, so can't wait to become more of a coffee snob. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is a short little vlog. We went shopping yesterday at the Galleria, got a bunch of new stuff at Lulu, got that espresso machine. I actually placed an online order at Pretty Little Thing, which I love a lot of their like new trendy stuff, so yeah, lots of good stuff. But thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you sometime this week, probably like Thursday, because I want to get her wedding is Friday, so yeah, probably Thursday. So we'll see you then.